Hey guitar class, it's Mr. Axler here, and today I'm going to be introducing this new thing called, well, it's not new, but it's new to you guys. It's called the 12-bar blues. It's a form in music that has been used since the 1920s and continues to be used today. Um, I'll give you the simplest of the form. Let me just play one for you, real simple, all right? It's going to be three chords. A7, which is two fingers here, D7, which is there, that little triangle. All right, see that? And then E7. Now I'll give you the chord diagrams. These are chords that you learned a while back, but it's been a little while since we've done this stuff. So let me play for you an example of a 12-bar blues, and a real simple one for that matter. Okay. Oops. Now, it's called 12 bars because it has nothing to do with going into a bar, 12 different bars. A bar is a measure. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to count it out for you, and I'll play it in a different tempo, in a different style also. So here we go. And I'll count the bars. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. All right. So a 12-bar blues is broken up into three sections. The first four, the middle four, and the bottom four. And I'm going to refer to them as Roman numerals, not as chords. And I'm going to give you a whole sheet on this information. So if we're playing what's called the A blues, in this case, we're playing in the key of A, our A chord, or in this case A7, is a 1 chord. Our D7 is a 4 chord. And then our E7 is a 5 chord. And the way you go through this, and the reason why we call these 1s, 4s, and 5s, if you think about in the key of A, you have A, B, C, D, E, F, G, and then back to A. 7 different notes in the key of A. And there's a chord for each of those. So we refer to them as Roman numerals. And the reason for that is because we can play the blues in any key. It doesn't matter. All right? So I would say this is a 1 chord. Different style. 4. 1, 5, 4, 1, 5. Okay? And so what we're going to do is we're going to learn different songs that utilize the blues, and we're going to learn how to play it. And then I'm going to give you guys some like different chord structures for these. For example, instead of just playing D7, we're going to play a really cool chord called a D9 chord. It gives it a more jazzy sound, right? And then even we could do the same thing up here because it's a movable chord, like a bar chord almost. All right. So maybe I did something like this. And then I'm going to show you what's called the Jimi Hendrix chord. And those of you who know the song Purple Haze, there it is. And that's what the chord we can actually use to end or that give us the turnaround back to the beginning. So I can do something like this. Let's see here. And I can go like this. It's too hard for me to go this that fast though. We'll get into that stuff later. But anyway, for now, what we're going to do is we're going to be learning the 12-bar blues. And your assignment is going to be to play the simple 12-bar blues in A. A7, I'll show you again. A7 is right there. D7. E7. It's 2 fingers right there. So I'll give you all of them. Here we go. In close-up form. Yeah. There we go. Okay. So here is A7. Right there. These two. You're putting it on the 4th string and the 2nd string. Okay? That's your A7. D7 is a triangle. And it's there. I'm sorry. I'm trying to look at this backwards. There we go. Like that. So it's these and that on the top 3 strings making a triangle. And then E7 is just those 2 right there. Okay? And then again, I'll show you the order. I'll give you all that information. So there's your next assignment. Good luck, guys. We'll talk to you soon.